Tokyo Pole. I'm in Fukushima at Takinoyu Hotel. Yeah! Wow, look at that. This entrance is unbelievable. Little garden here. And crazy running river down there. Into the nice. So that's the plaque. Pressed. Oh, it's not open. Wow, look at that. Oh, nice. Check out the buildings and then this beautiful bouquet here. And then again, we're right over a rushing river. All day in Japan. Up there. Check it out. Wow. Structural hotel. Going back. Grand Falcon. Oh, they sell or let you wear beautiful yukatas you can select. You might not even need to pay just to wear inside a hotel. For yukata will be rental fee. Oh, there's a fee. You just pay at the front desk and you can wear yukata. Oh, look at this little beautiful corridor. And they have a nice plaques, but look at these little Japanese dolls. Very, very beautiful. Again, we're in Fukushima. You got the akabeko cows, happy rice figure faces. Look at these beautiful displays. I think that's a sake cup. I smell some kind of like incense in the air. This hotel won some prizes. Quite beautiful. Oh, looks like a little cafe here. And a little maybe alcohol area. Over here is a great view. I just saw falling leaves in the window. So clear. Check it out. Alcohol in a bar. Japan. Over there in the corner. Little restaurant. That was a beautiful gift shop. Yeah, this hotel also has a welcome drink, which we're getting, and we also have a projection mapping session later. There's a stage over there. Oh my god. Look at the hotel. It has Ringo, and that's the apple sorbet that you can pick. So kind of like an icy, slushy. Look at that. They have tea. It looks like orange juice. I think I'm gonna get the sorbet too. So check it out. Sorbet is like, oh, sorry. See, it's really hard. So this is the icy sorbet, apple, free with the hotel.
今4時半。ちょっと行った。もうすぐ5時だよ。
Very cool.
Rain freeze.
It's very light tasting, but very chilly. And on the other side is a no stick. I'm sure my friend Alfonso would be fit.
There's a projection mapping
Over
show
there?
from 9 to 9 to 10.
Alright, let's look forward to the projection mapping show tonight, which will be next in the video. And check it out, they have a beautiful teacup here at this hotel. What's the name of this hotel?
Takinoyu.
Takinoyu in Fukushima. Let's try this tea.
Matcha green tea.
And then this is, what's it?
Yokan.
Yokan, which is goes with tea. It's like a snack. For me, it's kind of like hard jello.
Sweet.
So Paul here, I'm gonna drink this awesome, oh no, matcha tea. Look at that beautiful cup. It's green inside. Cheers. It's supposed to turn around the cup to enjoy the beauty because there's a similar pattern inside the cup. Cheers. Delicious. Tastes like a forest. I'm not even kidding. And then just now we showed you the yokam. What is it?
Yeah, yoga. Like a sweet bean jello.
Yeah, it looks like a grape color. Wow.
Good. Sweet.
It's red bean jello. Hard. And then you again have the foresty tea. I think that tastes like a lawn.
It smells like lawn too, like a freshly cut lawn.
That's funny. Apparently there's all you can drink beer here. And
Soft cream and barrel tea after taking bath onsen.
cheers. Paul's cup. There's many patterns. These look like grapes. What is it, like sakura?
Cosmos.
Cosmos? What's this? Grape?
Violet.
Ajisai? Hydrangea? What's it? Plum?
Yeah.
Same pattern inside. Like I said, I have, it's maple leaves. Cheers! Wow, this is also part of the hotel. Which floor are you on?
It's on 3rd floor. There's like a food bag.
Look at that, so beautiful. What's this place? What's this?
Library.
Oh, what's that?
Food bag.
There's a foot bath in there. Beautiful room. Opening. Foot bath.
So you can see the river while taking a food bath.
Show us. Wow. Did you see the pig? It's smoking. Great place to chill from the busy Tokyo life. There's water in there. And then beautiful seats. Again, a nice place to watch the No Theater on the other side. It's unbelievable. The hotel, the river down there, the No Theater on the other side. Yeah, the piggy's smoking.
Yeah, smoking piggy.
Smoking piggy. That's to keep away all the bugs. Just to make every step good, or every place good. Apparently, well, there's some outlets here you can work. That's really cool. This place rocks. You wash your hands here. And then again, back to here where, you know, there's this little lit area up here. We were just, maybe no, we were up there. So down there is probably, there's a library here.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Japanese books,
this. I think it's based on
Japanese literature.
like a Fukushima.
Oh, based on Fukushima. Interesting. Maybe too serious for me. Oh, look at that. Wow. Tapestries right there are good. There's a little library here. Little nook to read before dinner. Some bamboo. Look at that. Manga. Bushido, Code of the Samurai. Oh,
Monk.
monk? Where?
It's like the screen.
Yeah.
The art.
But why is it a monk? I didn't know it was a monk. Was it a monk? Where? What am I looking at? Is that a beer maker or something? Sake maker?
It's the sake
Whoa.
vending machine.
It's a sake vending
Pay
machine.
money.
Yeah, pay money for one token, 4 yen. What is it, like $2-3? And then local premium, sake is, sold here. You can just get a cup. And look at all the sake displays here in the wall. That's probably what's being sold here. Nice. This is like the tour. What floor is this again? Floor? 3rd floor. We were just on the 1st floor. Look at that. Sake is built on different sizes of the rice grain. Oh, look at that. Some kind of rice grain. Like, more akabeko. Beautiful sake display, place to chill and drink your sake. Wow, beautiful cups. Alright, that's really cool. Third floor. What's that? Oh, second floor is the guest rooms. Okay, guest rooms are here too, third floor. Oh, I thought this was to like the onsen. These are the guest rooms. Beautiful. Look at that. Dang, this place is crazy. Nothing like a normal hotel at all. Watch your step. Looks like a beautifully displayed alcohol. Place to chill and chat with your guests. Wow, what are these? Are these for like rice makers? From back in the day, very Japanese. Look at that. Little room for you to eat. Little restaurant for the guests, I assume, at night. Wow. More areas for... Alright, so this is a restaurant. Third floor has restaurants. Oh wow. Oh, beautiful art on the wall. Oh. Bathroom. Whoa, the corridor keeps going. To the rooms. Room has a name. This room is called San no Taki no Waki. What's that mean? No meaning, just a beautiful name. Check it out, beautiful. Okay, check it out. Closet. Sure, why not? Let's do a room tour. Wow, look at that. You get a very great looking, what's it called? Room clothes. What's in here? Oh, a shower. Okay. Turn on some lights. It's very dark. Ooh, look at that. Futon. So you don't sleep in bed, you sleep in futon. These are the futon. Is that, look at that. Refrigerator. Oh, where's the light? Wow, look at that. This is the room. Wow, look at that. Trash can. Beautiful porcelain, sink. That's me. And then I got all the skin stuff. Tissue. What's wrong? Nice little ledger, TV, tissue. Incense, little place to sit, chill. Oh, what? Oh, open.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
A beautiful view. Holy
Our room
moly.
is just in front of
The no, I think this is a different
river.
fall. This is a different river. Right? No? Or is it right in front? Same? Because look, where's the No Theater?
I think it's
Down there? Oh, we're up the river.
Yeah.
Yeah. But for me, I'm thinking this is a different river. Anyway,
I think
that's
it's
pretty
the
nice.
same.
Check it out. Look at that. Nice, right? What a beautiful room. Say hi. This is on our table.
Ta-da!
What is it?
Onsen manju, like hot spring, like a sweet bun. I think we should cook fire underneath.
Oh,
and
to cook it?
make
Wow.
it like a